How to set up lines and grids in Notes on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to set up lines and grids in Notes on iPhone. So as you can see, currently in my Notes application there is no lines and grids set up. So first thing what you can do is simply head over to your settings on your device or iPhone and simply scroll all the way down until you see this option called apps. So just tap on this, and from here all you have to do is just locate, or just you can also simply search in for Notes application and just tap on this. So now simply scroll down all the way down until you see this lines and grids option. Just tap on this once again, and basically you can easily select or choose between any of the lines and grids which you want on your notes. So I'll simply select this one over here and I'll just head back to my Notes application once again, and you should see the new lines just like this as you can see on my device. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.